loves, welcome back to another video. I have another product for you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Ding. And look at all these amazing pictures in the back. I'll go through it. So this is from BS-Mall. It's a travel makeup brush with LED mirror. It is so cool. Look at all the brushes they have. They have a powdered brush, an angled brush, a flat brush, an eyebrow brush, a flame brush, which is for, I've never heard of a flame brush. It's for eyeshadow primer, a precision crease brush, an eyeshadow brush, concealer brush, eyebrow brush, flat angled brush, detailed brush, lip blush, and eyelash blush. You know I love me a cute little girly thing. Okay. A little ASMR moment. So it looks like it has kind of a rose gold texture to it. Let's open it up. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, it moves. You guys, look. It moves. Tell me that's not so cool. It moves. I already love that part. Let's do it one more time. That is very cool. Okay. It lights up. This is nice. So you touch it here. Hold on. There we go. Very cool. And then here are all the brushes. Travel size, which is good. Very compact. Alright, so let's read a little bit about this cute little device. You can get it on Amazon. It's very affordable. So it comes in 3 colors, pink, white, and black. But I don't really look at this as pink. This is the one that I have. I really do like that it's literally almost the size of your phone. So you could literally throw this in your bag to go. And it has the universal charger here, which is the USB-C. And there's 14 brushes in total from what I read on the back of the book. And yeah, I think this is super convenient. Definitely good for on the go. Throw that in your bag, especially if you're traveling, even if you're doing like mini vacations for either type, whether it's like a couple days or like a whole week. I think it's really, really great. I just wanted to share this product with you guys. You know, I do product reviews on this channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, besos.